The new Toyota Highlander 2027 with a range of 515 kilometers. Toyota has been holding on to hybrid technology for a long time, and rightly so until the market matured. But the Highlander of 2027 is another story. The fifth generation of the legendary family crossover has completely abandoned the internal combustion engine. No hybrids, no compromises, just electricity. And this is Toyota's first three-row electric car, which is assembled directly in the USA. Externally, the car has changed noticeably. The body has become wider by 6 centimeters, lower by 2 centimeters, and the wheelbase has grown by 20.5 centimeters at once. Now it is 3,050 millimeters. This increase is dictated by the need to place a large battery in the floor, but the bonus is actually more space for passengers in the second and third rows. The design is made in the hammerhead style. Thin through light lines in front and back, flush-mounted door handles, integrated spoiler. All this works not only on the exterior, but also on the aerodynamics. The top-end limited version offers a two-tone paint job with a glossy black roof and 22-inch wheels. There are two power options. Front-wheel drive with a single 221 HP engine is suitable for those who drive mainly around the city and highway. Four-wheel drive with two motors with a total output of 338 HP and 438 Nm for all others. The all-wheel drive version accelerates to 100 kilometers per hour in 5.7 seconds, pulls a trailer weighing up to 1,587 kilograms, and is equipped with off-road multi-terrain select and crawl control systems. That is, it is not just an urban electric car with beautiful numbers. The car is capable of operating in real conditions of suburban operation. There are also two batteries. 77 kilowatt-hours for the basic version with a power reserve of 434 kilometers and 95.8 kilowatt-hours for the top version with a claimed 515 kilometers. The connector is NACS, the Tesla supercharger standard, which provides access to the largest charging network in the United States. Fast direct current charging allows you to get from 10% to 80% in about 30 to 32 minutes. Separately, it is worth noting the V2L function, bidirectional energy transfer. The car can power household appliances or act as a backup source of electricity for the house when the lights are turned off. For a family with children and a suburban plot, this is not marketing, but a real benefit. The salon is designed for 7 people in 3 rows. The trunk with a folded third row holds 1,291 liters, which is solid even by the standards of full-size crossovers. On the front panel is the central 14-inch touchscreen of the Toyota Audio Multimedia System and a 12.3-inch digital instrument panel. The panoramic roof is the largest Toyota has ever installed on their cars. Among the equipment, contour illumination in 64 colors, several wireless chargers, a JBL audio system with 11 speakers, and a Toyota Safety Sense 4.0 active safety system in the base. By money, in the US, sales will start at the end of this year. The base price is expected to start at $54,500. The limited version is about $60,000. The direct competitor is the Kia EV9, and their price tags are comparable. The car will appear in Europe in the first half of next year, and taking into account duties, logistics, and VAT, analysts estimate a starting price tag of 62,000 to 68,000 euros. Did you like the car? Friends, subscribe to the channel and like it.